Hi guys, welcome back. So I have to get ready for an event tonight and I thought I'll share with you guys my makeup look. So I'm just gonna go ahead and start off by prepping my skin. So first off, I'm gonna go ahead and moisturize by using the Tarte H2O moisturizer. And I'm gonna go ahead and connect the lid. This has literally been saving my skin this entire winter because my skin gets extremely dry during cold season. So this moisturizer is perfect and it's not too heavy either. And then I'm gonna go ahead and use my serum. So it's the Estee Lauder serum, and I'm just gonna take this. Primer and apply that. And I don't know if you guys can see through the camera, but my skin automatically feels like silk and it feels like butter. So I absolutely love this skincare combination to prime my skin before I apply my makeup. So I've already gone ahead and done my eyebrows already. So I'm now gonna go ahead and move on to my eyes. I'm gonna take the Carli Bybel palette and I'm gonna start off by using the burnt orange shade and apply this onto the crease. Light purple shade in this palette, and I'm going to apply this onto the outermost corner of my eyes. The gold shimmery shade, and I'm going to go ahead and apply this onto the inner corner of my eyes. The burnt orange shade again and just kind of apply this onto the crease again just to blend everything in. Eyeliner, and the eyeliner I'm using is this one right here, and I'm gonna go ahead and do this off camera just because I feel like my eyeliner takes the longest. So I'm just gonna go ahead and do this off camera and then I'll be right back. I'm doing my eyeliner and I'm gonna go ahead and do my mascara. The Maybelline concealer, and I'm just gonna go ahead and apply this onto the underneath of my eyes just to brighten up the area a little bit. And then I'm just gonna go ahead and blend this out. Foundation, and I'm gonna go ahead and apply this onto the beauty blender. Tarte concealer, and apply this on all the usual areas. Blender, and I'm just gonna go ahead and blend this out. And set my concealer before I go ahead and do the rest of my face. And I'm just gonna go ahead and wipe off the setting powder from my forehead, the bridge of my nose, and my cupid's bone and my chin. And I'm just gonna go ahead and leave the setting powder a little bit longer underneath my eyes And meanwhile, I'm just gonna go ahead and do my contour and my blush. I'm gonna take the Morphe Bronzer, and I'm actually gonna use this as a contour. And then for my blush, I'm gonna take the Maybelline Fit Me Blush in the shade, I believe it is Mauve. And I'm just gonna go ahead and apply this onto my cheeks. The setting powder underneath my eyes. Highlighter from the Anastasia Glow Kit, and this is in the shade Starburst and Crushed Pearl. I'm gonna go ahead and combine both of those, and I'm gonna go ahead and apply. Whoa, okay, this is really bright. So really bright, so I'm gonna go ahead and tone this down by using my beauty blender. Much better. And then the Huda Beauty Trophy Vibe lip liner. Next, soft matte lip gloss in Copenhagen. This used to be my favorite color about 3 years ago, and then I don't know why I just completely stopped using it. And just recently I rediscovered this color and fell in love all over again because it's such a pretty like dark plum shade, and it lasts so long on your lips as well. So I just love this color. So I'm gonna go ahead and apply this onto the outer corners of my lips. I take the Huda Beauty liquid matte in the shade Muse, and I'm gonna go ahead and apply this onto the center of my lips. This all in by tapping my finger. Set this all with my eyeliner setting spray. This is the makeup look. Now I'm gonna go ahead and get ready, and then I'll show you guys what I look like in the end. So yeah, but this is the makeup look. So super easy, and I think it's probably one of my favorite looks so far that I have ever done. Just because the eyes aren't really that bold, and then the lip color is so like it's such a deep color, so I just love this combination. And yeah, so this is it, and then I'll show you guys once I'm done getting ready. So this is the final look. So the shirt that I'm wearing is actually from Sapphire. I actually bought this in August for Zayan's first birthday, and then this dupatta is actually from another outfit, but it actually matches this perfectly. And then I have on these silver earrings and just a little bit of jewelry, nothing too heavy. So this is it. If you guys like this look, you guys know the drill. Hit that thumbs up button. Do comment below, let me know what you guys think, and if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button so you guys are notified every time I put a new video. Till then, stay happy, stay blessed, keep smiling, and I love you guys. Bye.